Hello everyone, it's Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, and underinsured mechanic. And this strip of videos is about basically replacing the entire interior lights on a Infiniti FX 35. I hope these videos are useful for you because, sometimes it's nice to see a guide before you start tearing into things. But no one wants to break anything. It's tons of fun to find parts for these vehicles. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the videos. Alright, this is going to be the center light, center main dome. Alright, there's two clips on the side you got to get past. So just go around and just get it loose. Like on the other ones, you got a little clip here. Now on this, you have a clip here, a clip here, clip here, and clip here. What you do is you push on these clips with your flathead and it comes right off for your bulb. And to reinstall, you just put it back in, clips in. Make sure these clips up here don't fall off. Just connect this white switch, real tight fit. Check, make sure the repair works. Make sure the clips are in, and there you go, she's good to go.